Alright, what's up guys? So, we are working on the Malibu. Trying to get the fuel pump out. We're just going to do a vlog because I suck at how-to videos. Got my friend Trent.
What's going on? How's it going today?
He's trying to get the cover off the fuel tank right now because we got to drop the whole fuel tank to get the fuel pump out to get her started. So, Trent's banging the hell out of the Malibu.
You gotta get a couple nuts out of it.
You busted a nut, huh?
Yeah, one more bolt and then the cover will come down. Once the cover's down, then we gotta take the straps off, unhook the gas tank, and drop her down out of there.
Yup.
This is being a jerk.
Isn't that how it usually goes?
Just bucked at me.
Yeah.
Did something wrong.
Malibu's like, not today, bitch. Here, Trent. Trent's spraying some more shit.
Yeah, I missed the screw that holds it to the rest of the door. Or is your jack higher than this one?
I have no idea. Well, it sits up off the ground higher than his.
I'll say we check.
Alright, so we're redoing the jack because my jack is a little bit higher than Lee's, so we're going to do that so we got some more clearance. Okay. I don't know if it needs to go higher than this or not. The bottom is not staying at all. Well, Trent, this is not going to plan.
Epic.
Heavy bitch.
Lift off.
Get a little bit higher?
Tire made me dizzy as hell moving like that.
Trent's getting the jack stands under there after we jacked it up.
Rejack cycle.
Yeah, rejack cycle. Yeah.
That's what I'm looking for too.
Yeah, more space.
See if this will fit.
Yeah.
He definitely owes me a natty daddy after this, so.
Make sure he gets you one. If you don't, I will.
Yeah, they're good. You might as well get a black cherry, red apple ale.
Whatever you want, I'll give it.
Black cherry, red apple ale. Go back to my house. Yeah.
Don't throw shit at
I'm
me.
hitting you with tools.
Don't throw shit back.
Got ya. April Fools. Close enough. God, that makes me so motherfucking nervous.
Oh, we got that. Where the fuck this thing is. Also, if any of you guys attempt this, don't be retarded like us and not forget to undo the battery first.
Yeah, technical difficulties.
He got my socket stuck on the battery. Amy, he got my socket stuck on the battery.
I had to beat it off.
Am I?
No, I mean I had to beat it off.
Oh, I can imagine the comments section on this video. Trent's got to beat it off.
Hey, sometimes you just gotta beat it off. Sometimes it don't work right unless you beat it off. Take the strap off.
You gotta take your strap on off.
Yeah. No, I keep that on sometimes so I look cool.
Grab for the hose, twist and pull it.
Yeah! Twist and pull the hose. See, Amy knows how it goes. Twist and pull the hose. I like that. The song's got a ring to it.
Yo guys, I guess since Chevy had a sense of humor back in '99, they got a wow emoji up in here. Right, Trent?
Yeah, you got the oh.
Amy, come look at this.
You get under this, you're in a mess.
Yeah.
Good luck. Ow, dirt.
Get it in your eye?
Ow, I just threw more in there.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm good now. I can get in here and get these off. Got to, I can't get them.
This ain't gonna work.
Can't get to it.
Hold on. Get the camera and show this part. My ass is stuck. Show from the outside. This isn't gonna work. I got too much of a gut.
This guy's stuck under the car. I don't know how that happened.
Any luck?
Maybe I should do this.
Yeah, she got it.
Dirt full face. I mean, a face. I think this part needs to come out too.
What?
This other part right here. The one that was right beside it.
All the wires?
Yeah.
Yeah, unhook all of it.
Oh, there's some gas in there already.
I mean, I can unhook it from closer, but
You getting high off the gas?
Yeah. Wait until he stops moving around so I can look up.
yeah, keep looking away.
Is that what all the girls say to you, Trent?
Yeah. Waiting for me to get done so they can look up. Makes sense.
Wow.
That's staying in the video.
I'm kind of stuck between a jack and a stand.
Oh, get this on camera, look. It's a clusterfuck up in here.
Yeah, that screwdriver still.
Hey Lou, you're missing out on a clusterfuck. That'd have been fucking hilarious if you heard that.
I'm not trying to rub your boob either.
She's getting a tip massage while he's working on the car. Oh,
Well, I can't make them any smaller, so.
Oh, you're getting it off?
Yeah. Should we have a thing here to catch this?
What are we gonna use? The big old red gas can? Oh, shit.
If it'll fit.
That ain't gonna fit.
Wait, Amy. There was a plastic container just like this over there. Get that one.
Yeah, get the big one, Amy.
Here, yank that shit up out of there.
Okay.
Yeah, here comes the fuel, boys.
Hopefully it's not more than one. Oh wow, really?
Oh, fuck, guys.
What?
I'm covered in diesel fuel.
Jesus.
Diesel.
I'm covered in diesel. God, this shit burns.
What's
It's-
the splashing back thing?
No, my arm just...
Whew, I can smell that gasolina.
Alright, let's give that line a minute to drain. I'm getting splashed in my eyes and shit.
Woo! Might get high under here.
Just sniff from in there.
Yeah, just smell
That's
my
about how
arm.
much that's left in there.
Just smell my arm, bro.
Getting high on gasolina.
Super buzz! Man, this hose is really on there. This must be virgin hose. Untouched.
The look on your face, though. Looks like you're trying to take a shit.
Feels like I am too every time I pull this hose. I think I'm slightly intoxicated. My vision's starting to vibrate.
Yeah, you go.
Yeah, that means I'm getting high.
Getting high on gasolina.
Just kind of flexes and moves out of your way when you need it to.
The fuck it does.
Something about pushing
He is pushing. Literally.
in and then pulling out.
Oh, I can push in and pull out, but it ain't working in this case.
So now what?
One more hose to take off this. Don't need a big thing.
No, don't help much.
No, the big thing that I needed before.
Oh, the wrench?
Yeah, big ratchet, big wrench.
Sure that's not the only big thing you need?
Wrench?
Yeah, that's the only big thing I need. I came well packed, hung like an angry third grader. Had 3 hairs. I didn't know which one was my packer till one pissed.
Oh god.
See this might work.
7.5. Wow.
The wrench.
The wrench, not
7.5. Oh, 15.
I almost thought you were talking about something else.
That's what I thought too.
Pervert. I'm telling you. I need like a 16 or 17.
You wish you were that big.
Baby monkey grasping an apple.
We need tools that we don't have, so we're having to take the ram, get the tools we need. Hopefully. Oh boy, another lifted truck. Let's see if I lose another pair of pants. You guys know how this went with Brady's Dodge. See how this goes. Oh, I didn't rip pants. Huh?
Don't forget the jumper cables.
Oh, jumper cables. Yeah, that'd be helpful. Fucking Trent.
Just hanging out in the back.
Hey, Bumpy.
Oh, this is gonna be the best ride.
On the way back, I'm gonna ride in the back with him.
Like a princess.
He's like a pit bull back there. This is too much fun.
I believe I can fly.
This motherfucker. This should be good.
Got everything. Now we're loading up. This guy's gonna try and get in this.
Probably just scared the shit out of Amy. Kind of a... Ready for what?
Donuts!
Whoa, here we go.
No, no donuts.
Spun a little bit.
That wasn't donuts! That wasn't
Amy, look to your left.
I just scared the shit out of her. The window and was like, donuts. She jumped.
Look, it's just the foot of Trent's ass. Woo! And we forgot the jumper cables. Alright, well this is going to be the end of the vlog. Because one, it's too dark to film and stuff. So if we have to do anything tomorrow, we'll film it tomorrow if it's not raining. Because if it's raining, I ain't filming shit. So
Extra super long like Lieutenant Dawn.
we'll see you guys next video.